What's up guys, it's Zach here from Metal Homebrew. Welcome to my first video of 2025, and today we're having a quick look at the wireless charging upgrade for the RAPT Pill. In case you don't know, the RAPT Pill is one of the numerous digital hydrometers you can buy. You chuck them in your work while it's fermenting and it gives you real-time updates. The issue with the old pill was that you have to take it apart to charge it up or to access any of the settings. So they brought this wireless upgrade kit out, which essentially comes with all the kit you need. So you've got the wireless charger, and there's a couple of other bits that come with it which I'll go through now. I was going to put it all together on the video, but it was actually a lot fiddlier than they make out. There's no instructions, just a QR code. It's not mega complicated, but it took me a few goes to get it right, because in all honesty it's actually quite flimsy. Basically, what you get in the kit is a smaller weight which goes on the base. So you take the original weight off that sits, that's popped off already, sits in here. And then you get two pads. So you put the full semicircle pad on first, so that will sit on the bottom here, followed by the other one, the cutout one, which sits on there. I don't know if you can actually see that on the video. Then what you also have is this little bit here, which sits in the USB charger and has the wireless charging ring on. Now, my problem with this is flimsy as hell, and it'd be very easy to break, hence why I didn't put it together on video. And as you can see, it's already coming off. So you've got the sticky pads on. What you've got to do is align it so it's central, stick it down as best you can, and then run the cable up the side. Say, if you buy one of these, they work, but that is quite flimsy and quite tricky to do. It's actually quite difficult to make the video for it. Then when you slide it back into the housing, there's a groove at the bottom it's got to sit around. As you can see, that attempt, it hasn't gone on in the groove. So we'll try it again, move it ever so slightly further that way, stick her back on, put her back in the housing. And that time it's gone, whether or not you can see that on the camera, dead down the centre. So that's now in with the charging bit on the bottom. All you've got to do is plug it in, and last but not least, put your housing back on. As I said earlier, the benefit to this is once you've sealed it up, strictly speaking, you shouldn't need to take it apart again. So you should be able to charge it, access the settings, whatever it is you need to do, without ever opening it again. Now the only thing left to do with that is to recalibrate it. Kegland recommend doing the two-step calibration, so one in water and then one in your work when you brew, so I'll do that when I next brew. I've just tested it with the charging thing. It does work. You sit it on there, it charges straight away. So not a bad bit of kit, but a little bit flimsy and not something you'd want to do too many times. So if you've got one of the older pills like I have, it's a good idea because it's quite a cheap upgrade. But I think the new ones come with it as standard, so that's probably a much better idea. But yeah, that's the RAPT Pill wireless charging upgrade. I'll see how it goes. Maybe do another update later on if it's still working or if it falls apart, because it does look quite flimsy. But yeah, that's about all I got to say on that one, so thank you.